Hi guys, we're here again in the next next place in Bimwa Farm of Marilug, Davao City, Bukidnon. Oh yeah, oh, very fresh the hangin. Very, very, very cold. Oh my goodness, so nice. Ayan guys, oh, nakita nyo, litos. Litos po yan. Wow, very, very cold here. It's look like Baguio City. Hello guys. Uy. Shh. Uy, gwapo diri ang ano, ang background. Good up. Wow guys, oh. Wow. Oh, picture sila. Ayan guys, oh, mga fresh na mga ano, na mga litos. Kaso bawal pumasok sa loob ngayon kasi nang dahil sa COVID. Oh, it's nice. Sometimes you can pick something here. Oh, it's very beautiful. I love Emwa. Huh? Such a great view. Ayan guys, oh, mga litos. Mga flowers sila doon. Yan guys. Mint. It's mint. Huh? Ganda oh. Wow. Oh, I love those flowers. We call that one million flowers. Look the color. Oh my Jesus, it's so nice. See? So daghan, madami. Beautiful, very beautiful. Oh, yes. Wow, very nice guys. Oh.
Urag little Baguio ba no?
Guys, oh, native manok.
Live ba yung
Hi, madam. Say hello, pod.
Oy, hello.
Hello, guys.
Oh,
Tagsara
mag-ihaw manok ba sa isa ka tuig ka isa. Eh, charot.
Oh, sige lang, isa na lang naman si tweet.